Hey everybody, it's Natalina and I'm back here in my teaching kitchen where I have been teaching authentic Italian cooking for the last 8 years, and now I'm going to teach you. Yes, you at home. We're going to teach you all my little tips and tricks to give you more confidence in your own kitchen with your own recipes, okay? These are little things. We're going back to the basics, and I know you'll be able to take these little tips and run with them. So today we're going to chop some parsley. And I know it sounds simple, chopping parsley, but in class, I'm always surprised how people chop parsley. Okay, so first thing we want to do, we've got some clean parsley here. We're going to remove all the thick stalks at the end because we're not going to need those. Okay, so let's get rid of those. We'll just cast those aside. Now, the leaves that are remaining, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bunch them up. Okay, just kind of make them up really tight. Okay, and then go in with our chef's knife and basically just give a rough chop to start. So we're kind of starting things off. We want to get that first cut in there, okay? So there we go. Now we can continue to make this finer. So you can make it as fine or as coarse as you wish, and then just keep gathering it up and running our knife. And you'll see that I'm holding the tip of my knife while the rest is just rocking over there. This is a very sharp chef's knife, and of course, the sharper the knife, the better. Okay, and you can see it's getting nice and fine now. Okay, it's that first little gathering up of the parsley that really helps you keep it in one little pile so you can continue to do this and make it as fine as you wish. So there you have it. We have some beautiful parsley chopped up now to add to your favorite recipe or to use simply as a garnish, okay? So we'll be sharing more tips with you, and if you don't want to miss any of them, tune into our YouTube channel, check us out on Facebook or on Instagram. We'll see you back in the kitchen.